got the trucks back to Canada. Now time to work on them. Sorry if the qualities of the videos, we're going from GoPro to iPhone, so it may be bad, I don't know, but we'll just work with it. So this truck, the transmission blew up, as I'm sure you've seen in our previous video. We're thinking it's either clutch or an input shaft, or something else. Who knows? We'll figure that out once we actually get into it. So yeah, we'll go through kind of a little breakdown of getting this thing out, and I'll do my best to keep it updated. Bear with me. Well, for everybody in Ontario and basically everywhere above the Rust Belt, this thing's from 1984, or at least a 1984 frame, and don't mind all of the oil that's obviously leaked out of the training. But here's a rough idea of how clean these things are down in the southern states. I remember we were taking some bolts apart that were clearly from 1984, and they just came off like butter. So I'm just trying to get this video's probably not that great, but again, bear with me. We're using a phone versus an actual camera. So basically, to remove this tranny, I'm not going to give you a full in depth, but I'm sure there's lots of videos out there that tell you how to get Getrags out of Dodges, but here's just a rough basic idea. You can remove this drive shaft, T-case, cross member, and then we can actually pull the trans out. And yep, that's about it. Nice and easy. Only take 20 minutes, no problem. Okay, so a little update. Shafts are out over there. Came out super easy. A couple 8s back there. 8s up here. 10s here. I think 5/8 up there. And you gotta pull out the linkage out of the top. So that's my short update. Next, I'm just gonna pull the T-case off, and then trans can come out. Well, actually, cross member, then trans. All right, I'll try and get this coming out on video. Everything came off easy, other than 2 of the studs came out with the nuts, so not ideal, but we'll fix that out once it's on the ground. I got one hanging in there, so try and set you up where you can see. Looks okay, I guess. Hopefully this is tall enough. And most definitely is not. Alright, well, here's hoping. It's probably heavier than heck, and hopefully she don't fall off. Alright. Okay. Good thing I'm the size of a refrigerator. We can kind of just pick this up, but it's still heavy. Okay, well, that's out. That's good. Try and get that out now. So, ran into one slight issue. Some nincompoop welded this, and I need that to screw off so I can get that down. So, we're gonna see if we can get those little screws out on either side, and then this will pop out. Not much room, maybe some from underneath. If I can't get those, then chop chop. Okay, so I don't have a really good way of getting this out. I got an alignment rack, but these are handy. But yeah, I don't know. We're kind of just gonna give her a go. I got enough straps on there to, you know, do something. So try and set this up here. See if we can't hurt ourselves. And I gotta find that. Air in that. Okay, so we got one more cross. I'm kind of just doing it all in one because it seemed like a good idea at the time. And don't mind the color of the tools. I am cheap. Okay. Let's see how this wants to move. Okay, that's heavy on my end by quite a lot. I do have a strap up there. Yes. For precaution's sake. That's maybe not. Just, you know, I don't feel like it's smacked too hard right now, so we'll do that. Best way to plan is to have no plan and hope for the best. All right, and we'll go to there. Except for we will go through all of this. That's just so she don't tip down on me. Let's make this.
cool if these slid a little better. I think we're out. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, we're out. Well. Okay. Well, we're out, so let's see if we can get it down. Alright, we're almost clear. Great if this threw some lube on it. You know, maintenance. Forget about that. Okay. We're good to let this down. Seems solid enough. Famous last words. Alright, box. Alright, let's get this. Oh, okay. I found the problem. Actually, these all look good. Yeah, that'll do it. The bottom one actually doesn't look too bad. We might have got lucky and it'd just be that one on the input shaft.
So basically, we could get it to move, but it would go like that and stop and fight itself.
She's chooched. Chooched.
I'm surprised you're putting a Getrag back in it.
After further inspection, it appears that this was repaired previous to our ownership, and some more stuff happened. She got a little funky, and you can see the other crack. So yeah.